What's that, YouTube? Man, your boy just knocked off a little foreign. Well, for the old lady or whatever. She got a nice little Audi. The A4. Just got through buffing out that hood. Got that bada bling on there. You know what I'm saying? You can see the garage reflection of that bitch. That bitch blinging. You know what I'm saying? Just got through buffing out the hood. Wet sanded, 2000 grit. Little buff on it. Shit. It's a nice little joint. Black on black in here. You know, she talking about she want a suede hairline on it. So we'll probably put a little black suede up there. You know, nice little joint for the wife. She rolling down. Little trunk space. Nice little joint, man. Little thing got a turbo on it. Pretty quick. Nice little joint. Sitting up in the garage looking pretty. But yeah, just give it a little update what's going on around here. There's the Charger right there. Ain't nothing new happened with that just yet. Still look the same, but still clean. Still sitting low on them fold. You know. Got the little hoodoo out there. Little daily driver, little hoodoo. And that's just what it is, homie. We signing out. And more updates to come. I don't know if it's gonna be an update to this or update to that, but it's gonna be an update on one of these motherfuckers. Alright now, 100.